These are the Aparo Meteor pixel tubes, and the amount of customization options on these things is crazy. The Meteor 30 is a 1-foot 10-watt light, while the Meteor 60L is pretty much double the everything, but there is more differences besides the output and size, which I'll get to in a bit. In CCT mode, you can choose between 13 different presets or manually adjust the color temperature in increments of 50 Kelvin. You also get green magenta tint control, as well as some modifiers to do some advanced things like adjust the hue of the tint or boost the strength of the filter, which is something I really haven't seen on other lights. One of the best things about these lights is that the color temperature that is output by the light is almost exactly the same as what it says on the screen, which is definitely not always the case. In HSI mode, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and the intensity, but you can also set the base CCT. Gel mode lets you choose between a bunch of different Lee or Roscoe gel simulations, and effect mode has 21 different effects to choose from. Animated mode is where you can choose one of the 16 pixel effects, and you get more customization options like mirroring and delay. These lights do support mobile app control, and the DeSal Plus Lite mobile app is one of the best out there. Connecting the lights is always easy and quick, and you get access to all the finer adjustments in an easier to use way. The app uses big buttons and sliders, and some of the controls you can tap on and manually enter numbers, which is really useful. You can control individual or groups of lights, save and load presets, or even set the color of the lights to match something else using the camera on your mobile device. I measured these lights with my Sekonic C800, and the color accuracy is as good as I expected, and like I said earlier, it closely matches what the screen says on the back. Both of these lights have internal batteries and will run for about 2 hours at full brightness. The Meteor 30 recharges via USB-C, and the Meteor 60L has an AC wall adapter with a barrel connector. Since the Meteor 30 is smaller and easier to hide in tight spaces, it has magnets on the back and the side as well as one of the end caps. The bigger lights don't have built-in magnets, and they're also black, while the smallest Meteor 30 has a silver finish. The Meteor 60L comes with a semi-rigid zippered carrying case, while the Meteor 30 only has a soft carrying pouch. These lights are also available in 4 and 8 foot lengths that come in hardshell cases for bigger productions. You may have been wondering why the 60 model has an L attached to its name, and that's because it has a built-in LumenRadio module for wireless DMX control. For wired control, the smaller light uses the USB-C port, while the 60L and larger lights use a mini 5-pin XLR connector. Overall, the build quality on these lights is great, and as they get bigger, you do get more pro-level features. So I highly recommend the Aparo Meteor pixel tubes to both smaller creators and bigger productions. But what do you think? Leave a comment and let me know how these stack up versus your current favorite tube lights. Like I said, links are in the description, and if you buy anything at all after clicking those links, that's the best way to support my channel without any extra cost to you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.